What's going on, peeps? So I purchased this new 26,000 BTU air conditioner to cool off my downstairs area, and it uses a 20 amp, 220 volt power. So I have to install a new power supply into this area. So as you can see, using my Dremel Multi-Max, I cut through the plaster first using a grout removal bit, and then cut the wood lathe, and I'm going to run this 10-2 wire into my basement to the power supply panel, and I'll have my electrician hook up the actual supply. So I'm going to drill this using this flexible auger here. I'm going to drill down into the basement, drill a hole, and feed the line into the basement, and then run the line into the ceiling joist, and have my electrician hook it up. So I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So I'm trying to get this done before next week. It's supposed to, like right now, it's really cool here, Memorial Day weekend, but next week it's expected to get back into the 90s. So I want this job done before the end of the week. So I should have this part done, and since it's Memorial Day weekend, I'll have my electrician just plug it up. It should be short, a couple minutes for him to plug it up. So I'm doing most of the work. And that's it, man. So these are the tools that I'm using. Dremel Multi-Max, running a 10-2 line for 20 amp, 240 volt power supply. And that's it. With that, I say peace.